Here I have JAECOO 5 and let me show you how to turn on Bluetooth on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to use the left tab and select here the Bluetooth. So as you can see here in Bluetooth, you can easily enable or disable the Bluetooth just by using this switcher. What's also really important, if you enable the Bluetooth, you can see the device name. In my case, is this BT and numbers right here, but you can change it if you would like to. And here we've got also some settings. For example, you can enable show vehicle name. Here we've got the available devices that the car found. So basically all Bluetooth settings are right here. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.